Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get End of an Era player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get a lot of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this exchange button and tap End of an Era chapter. As you can see, there are 3 players plus 1. So the first player is Markarius. You can fulfill this condition to get Markarius, to sign Markarius into your team. Central attacking midfielder with 95 OVR. And the second one is center back, Thiago Silva with 95 OVR. Here the trades, you can claim this player by fulfill this condition also. And the last one is Iker Muniain. So all you have to do is just fulfill this condition. This is the easy one. Beside Markarius instead of Thiago Silva, so you can get this 94 central attacking midfielder Iker Muniain. And the last one is the bonus. The plus one is End of an Era player. If you feel confused to sign one of the player, you can use this End of an Era, so you can get possible rewards between Thiago Silva or Iker Muniain here. So you can fulfill this condition by tap on one of the player with 92 plus OVR, one player with 1 plus OVR, and 2 player with 90 OVR here. So if you're done, if you think you want to use this random or gambling in End of an Era exchange, you can do it by tap this exchange button. So please feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.